Hello and welcome to Indian Story. There is nothing more beautiful and exciting than story. Everybody has a story. In fact, the story is a light. Now let's watch what this story.
ये जिंदगी उसी की है जो किसी का हो गया, प्यार ही में खो गया। ये जिंदगी उसी की है।
I am Amar Jyoti and I belong to Chandigarh. I've done my schooling, college, university from there, but I'm presently in Delhi since a long time. And I'm even doing my job here. I'm a lecturer in Mata Sundari College and I teach psychology there. My father was Dr. Sohan Singh and my mother was Mrs. Amarjeet Singh. My father was a doctor. He was Director Health Punjab and my mother was a teacher in a convent school in Chandigarh. My father was an extremely honest doctor and he laid a lot of emphasis on honesty. He wanted to be honest about everything. And my mother was a very good model for me because she was very hard working. उन्होंने हमको बहुत मेहनत से पाला है, बहुत मेहनत करके she put us in the best of schools and education was a main value in our family. पढ़ाई लिखाई. I was in Kamal Convent, Chandigarh, and then I did my graduation from Government College, Chandigarh, and my post graduation in psychology from Punjab University, Chandigarh. हर पल हमारी मम्मी पापा की यही कोशिश होती थी कि हम पढ़ते रहें और अच्छे कामों में लगे रहें. They were very intelligent parents because उन्होंने कभी हमको खाली नहीं छोड़ा. शाम को म्यूज़िक सर आ जाते थे मेरे लिए, मेरी सिस्टर के लिए गिटार सर आ जाते थे. And my brother was always fond of sports. He was very sporty kind of a person. So she made sure that we have very useful hobbies and were just not let loose like that. So that way they made sure that we were good human beings and they inculcated very good values in us of hard work, honesty and sincerity in whatever we do. तो उस ज़माने में लोग भी बहुत अच्छे थे, बहुत अच्छा समय था वो, बहुत खुली अच्छी हवा थी, लोग भी अच्छे थे. So I really enjoyed my childhood and we had a very good healthy childhood. We are 4 sisters and brothers. We are 3 sisters and 1 brother. And my sister is a doctor here in Delhi only. My eldest sister is in Patiala. She is a retired professor of English. And even her husband is a professor of English in Punjabi University. And my brother is abroad. He's an engineer. And my sister, I told you, she's in Delhi. She's a doctor. And here I am, the 3 sister brothers. 4 of us total. I got married in 1980 to Tejendra Pal Singh Josan in Chandigarh. मेरे हस्बैंड की बहुत अच्छी हैबिट्स हैं. सबसे जो बड़ी बात मुझे उनकी लगती है कि वो दिल के बहुत साफ हैं. He doesn't know how to play double. He can never play double. What is in his heart is on his tongue, whether you like it or not. पहले तो बहुत जोश लगता है, but then you realize that there is some truth in it. And secondly, he is very talented, very truthful, very upright, and very social. These are his very stark qualities and very good qualities, and he's very large-hearted. Very large-hearted, very well experienced, very well travelled. So I really look upon him for advice and many things I ask him and do. He's a very good companion, very friendly, loving. I have 2 children, 1 daughter, 1 son. My son is doing his MBA in US, and my daughter is married and she's also settled in US, in New Jersey. तो कुछ बात वो सीखते भी हैं, कुछ उनकी दे आर मोर सेल्फ कंट्रोल, दे आर मोर इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक. उनको लगता है कि हमको सब कुछ आता है, विच दे आर मोर स्मार्टर देन अस. बट डेफिनेटली आई ऑलवेज वांट कि दे शुड आल्सो बी वेरी स्पिरिचुअल, गॉड fearing, honest, and which they do. I think they have imbibed it in their character to a large extent. My inspiration, my mom, my mother. पहले तो मैं बहुत घबरा जाती हूँ, लेकिन फिर मैं अपने ही दम से, अपने ही with my own courage and my own fortitude and strength, I steer my way. Initial reaction is little nervous, anxious, but then I find my way because I'm very lucky and blessed to have a lot of faith in God. I feel कि जो भी होता है उसकी command से होता है, so I have to follow it and work towards it in my best way. बचपन में my father, he had a very serious kind of an illness which shook me a lot. I was very shaken up because it was very serious kind of a disease. I mean, but then again we found our way. The family bonding was very strong. We used to encourage each other. My mother's strong model before me. It was a very inspiring thing for me, and we sailed through. And then he also lived long and happily. So that was one turning point in my life in childhood. Then in adulthood, I think I was leading a very healthy, happy life. But one day I just fell in college, and it was very shocking because I had to undergo surgery also. That was the first time I encountered something so seriously happening to me. But then again, I thought I learned a lot from it. I learned that life is made up of ups and downs, and I recovered happily. I had a very good doctor. But anyway, it was a turning point because I learned that people can fall also. You can be so ill also. But again, it ended positively, as I told you, with my own courage and strength and my family's support, encouragement. I again sailed through. So ऐसा तो कोई turning point नहीं. Life has been very kind to me. It has been smooth and very nice. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बड़ा मेरे को कुछ. I think every day is a turning point. I try and learn every day from my everyday experiences. I make sure every day is a learning. When you meet people, you learn from their qualities and you imbibe it in your character. Basically, it's your own hard work, I feel. You just can't leave things to fate and destiny. That's a very immature approach. You should make your goals very clear and work towards them. Make your disciplined life, plan your day, and then of course seek His blessings, because I feel without His blessings, everything is useless. So with His blessings and my own hard work, भगवान में बहुत विश्वास होना चाहिए. उसकी कृपा होती है तभी हमको सक्सेस की तरफ वो इशारा करता है, और फिर हमको अपने ही हार्ड वर्क से, अपनी कड़ी मेहनत से हर कुछ मिल जाता है. After 6 years of marriage, my husband said that you should follow up your academic pursuits, because I was little academically oriented. But after 6 years, I came to Chandigarh to do my MPhil after MA. When I got married, I had done my MA. But after 6 years of my married life with a small child, I came to Chandigarh and to do MPhil. So at that time also I became little anxious that I will not be able to do it, because they were all young girls with me. Straight after MA they were doing it. But again, I really worked hard, and I stood first class first, which taught me a great deal. कि hard work के सामने बड़े बड़े पहाड़ भी झुक जाते हैं. So that is the lesson I learned. So I always believe in your own hard work and God's grace. Well, we were both gifted by God. We both had talent of voice and sense of music. And then later on we got married, and we developed certain songs, and although we don't practice much, time kam milta hai. But there is a very good common ground for common entertainment, and it's a very good pastime for both of us. When we are in mood, we both sing together and do practice some duets, etc. ये तो भगवान की गिफ्ट है.
जुदा करना जब याद मेरी दिल से न जुड़ा करना, जब याद मेरी आए मिलने की दुआ करना।
Well, I'm very fond of Lata as a singer. I love her voice. It is very close to Saraswati. And my favorite actress is Madhubala. Life is a very good gift of God that He has given us this human body, and that's why we have come on this earth. And well, one can be totally carried away by Maya and do all sorts of things, but I think one should have always feel that presence of God. In whatever we do, we should think that God is watching us, He's there by our side, and do our best, live honestly. And I think it's all about love. The more love we spread, we get it back 10 times. So I think anything ugly can be made very beautiful with sprinkling some love on it. बस मेरे को यही लगता है कि सबके साथ अच्छी तरह से पेश आओ, चाहे वो सर्वेंट है, कोई कोलीग है या स्टूडेंट है. You should be at your best, giving your best to him and expecting very less, and you will live very happily. Do feel that there is a purpose of life, there is a bigger goal in life. हम सिर्फ यहाँ खाने पीने नहीं आए, हमारे अंदर बहुत सारी qualities हैं which are very divine and which if we make up our minds to develop them, तो हम भगवान के बहुत निकट हैं. It depends on your decision and your choice, and I'm very lucky to have a very good spiritual guide. I go to Greater Kailash Gurdwara. There is a lady there, Mrs. Ranjit Kaur. She is a very good teacher, my philosopher, friend, guide. She has taught me many things in life: calmness, tranquility, balance, faith in God, music, bhajan. She is a real, I would say, ocean of gifts for me, and I'm very fortunate to have her in my life. Because many times at home I want to have a fight or an argument, but her lessons, whatever she has taught us, that this is not the way to behave. So many things I overcome with her teachings, and I'm really lucky to have her in my life. Not really, not in a big way. I'm just attached to Rotary. My husband and I, we both have joined Rotary Club since a long time, but I've not put in my best. I don't go for any social service, nothing, because I feel my job is enough for me on the plate. Well, I should be doing, but hey, aim after I get retired, I will really plunge into community service and to give back to society, because that is our main goal also. If I am well read, I can even teach some poor children free of tuition fees. I do plan. I do it in my holidays sometimes, but not on a regular basis. Music, and I love to go for walks, traveling, but I don't get much time, and music is my main hobby, and I love to practice my shabads which I learn in the Gurdwara. I can sing for hours, मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता 2-3 घंटे कहाँ चले गए. Doing my riyaz, making my voice better and better, because with teaching, voice starts weakening, because you have to talk. And but my main hobby is to eat good food. I love to eat simple, homemade food is my passion, which I do try and make of my own, and lead a nice balanced life. A lot of music in it, especially Shabad and Gurbani. My husband is always there. He won't show it, but if you have anything where you're faltering or you're feeling weak, he's like a rock. I lean against him and I get the best from him. Kuch bhi baat ho, emotional, social, I can discuss with him and I get the right answer. Gandhi was, I'm very fond of Gandhi. Well, Gandhi was a very genuine leader. He loved his country. जिसे असली मायने में प्यार कहते हैं. He did that for us. He had no artificiality about him. वो बहुत सही इंसान थे और बहुत ही दिव्य. Unlike the politicians of today who are so, I don't want to comment, but they're more concerned about their seats and their luxuries. Their minds are very well developed. They think much faster, they can run much faster than we were at their age. But yes, I would just like to tell them that don't forget your own culture. Be very respectful to your elders. They are always a storehouse of wisdom and knowledge. Never ignore the elders. Never just leave your culture and ape the West blindly. Stick to your roots firmly, and even the world will respect you.
Yes, we are all unique. We come and go. But these stories are legacy forever. Do share your story with Indian Story anytime, anywhere. And don't forget to subscribe our channel